Have you been trying to open the sunroof on your Mercedes-Benz GLE but the controls seem confusing? Many owners press the wrong button or don't know the correct way to operate the panoramic sunroof. If that's you, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the complete process step by step, including how to open the sunroof, fully open it, and close it properly. Stay with me until the end because I'll show you every step clearly so you can operate your Mercedes-Benz GLE sunroof with confidence in just a few moments. Before we begin, here are 4 common mistakes that many people make. Mistake number 1. Pressing the wrong roof control. The overhead console has several buttons and it's easy to press the incorrect one if you're not familiar with the layout. Mistake number 2. Trying to force the sunroof by repeatedly pressing the switch. A single correct movement of the switch is usually all that's needed. Mistake number 3. Not waiting for the glass or sunshade to finish moving before pressing the switch again. This can interrupt the operation and confuse first-time users. Mistake number 4. Forgetting to fully close the sunroof and the sunshade before leaving the vehicle, especially if rain is expected. Now tell me in the comments, did you already know these 4 mistakes? If yes, comment yes. If not, comment no. I'd love to know how many viewers are learning this for the first time. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Mercedes-Benz tutorials and easy automotive guides. Now, let's get started. First, sit in the driver's seat of your Mercedes-Benz GLE and make sure the vehicle is powered on or the ignition is in the appropriate position so the sunroof controls are active. Now look up at the overhead console just above the front seats. This is where you'll find the sunroof control switch. To open the sunshade, gently slide the sunroof control switch toward the rear. The sunshade will begin moving backward and continue opening automatically. Once the sunshade is open, use the same switch again and slide it toward the rear. The glass panel will first lift slightly and then slide backward, opening the sunroof. If you want the sunroof to open as far as it can, continue using the same rearward switch movement until it reaches its fully open position. Now let's see how to close it. To close the glass sunroof, gently push the same control switch toward the front. The glass panel will slide forward and close completely. If the sunshade is still open, push the switch toward the front once again. The sunshade will move forward automatically until it is fully closed, returning everything to its original position. That's all there is to it. You now know how to open the sunshade, open the sunroof, fully close the glass, and close the sunshade on your Mercedes-Benz GLE. If this video helped you and saved you time, please consider sending a super thanks. Your support helps us continue creating simple and easy to follow automotive guides for more vehicles. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate your support. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day and drive safely.